Uh, uh, what happened? Hold on, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. I just needed a minute. What happened? Wait, where am I? I can barely see. Why do I feel like, guys? Why am I very fast? I have blood all over my legs. Okay, guys, what are we gonna do about this? I don't really want to go outside, but what am I even in? Wait a second, guys. Did Purple Guy build a new pizzeria? I think he did. There's a truck here. What's that doing? Alright. I feel really gross in that. Alright, I'm gonna hide back here in the back room. Okay, this is where they, I guess, keep all the frozen pizza, but, this place looks just like the old one. What the heck, guys? Alright. Oh, there's a new Freddy, Bonnie, and Chica, guys. I don't know what to do about this. I'm gonna try to get this suit off. I got the torso off. I need to put this back on because it hurt really bad and that coat did it. I at least have to get the head off because it hurts really bad on there. Alright, I got the head off, guys. So far, so good. I have to keep the suit on. If I don't, I might. Alright. All this new animatronics here. The sign shouldn't be here. I think this was from the old one. I'm gonna get rid of that. There's Foxy. Guys, I don't know what to do about this. Oh. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I'm sorry for the lag. It's just, I don't know my Minecraft game. Yeah, guys, let's see if I can change the lag. I've never really been in these settings, so... I'm just gonna leave it like that. I can't really do anything about it. Alright, but anyways, guys, and Freddy's microphone. What's happening in the office here? What was that? What was that? do anything. Guys, here it is. Let's do this. Wait a second, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna get the phone out, and I'm gonna try to call, my friend, whose name is, it's really hard to remember his name because it's really complicated. I think it was like, Alua. Like, remember, like, I remember working with him the last time we went to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I wasn't recording, but it was oola. It's a really complicated name. It's not like oola, but it's like oola, something like that. I kind of forget his name. It's really complicated. But I need to get my dumb phone out that I always, the last time I got a, netherrack slab, it wasn't even a slab, it was iJot, and it wasn't even called that, so, yeah, oh, come on, okay. Hello? Ooh-la. Yeah, I kinda got myself in a bad situation here. So, you know how we work at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza? Yeah, but that place closed down. Yeah, it did, but Purple Guy built a new one. He did? Yeah, he did. Well, I kinda got into the Freddy suit to see if I could, back at the old location, I tried to see if I could put the Freddy suit on and scare the animatronics, but that didn't work out too well, so I'm kinda stuck in the suit. I managed to get the head off, but I can't get the rest off, and the sun is starting to set in this new animatronics, so I think they're going to be roaming around. I'm going to shut the door so they don't get out. But, will you get down here? Yeah, sure. I was in a truck. Do you think I should hide in it? No, it's alright. But, just be careful, because if there is new animatronics, then they'll have even better sensors than the other ones. How would that be? Because they would, if they had better sensors, then that would mean a good thing, right? Yeah, sort of, because it would detect you as a human, but still it might detect you as a endoskeleton without its suit on. So, yeah, just because you have the head off, just because you're wearing the suit, they'll detect it as the old suit, and they'll think it's an endoskeleton. So they'll try to rip you out of the suit and put you in a new one. So just be careful. What? Yeah, they'll rip you out of that one and put it in a new one. And if it hurts getting that suit off, then it'll hurt even more getting a new suit on. And they'll try to force you in it, so it'll really hurt, man. So I suggest you just don't go in there. Okay, but how do I defend all the mobs that are gonna come out? Just try to run away from them. They won't hurt you, I'm pretty sure. If you're in the Freddy Fazbear pizzeria, I don't think you'll have to worry about Minecraft mobs. They're just there's little creepy things. That won't hurt you, I promise. Okay. Alright, well, call me at about, 6 a.m. Sounds good? Yeah, sure. Okay, bye. Bye. Alright, guys, did you hear that? They're gonna detect me as an old animatronic, so we gotta be careful here. They could break outside. But if you want to see what happens, you'll have to watch the next video, which will be out, I don't know, very soon after this one. But thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn notifications on so you never miss a video of me. And also, slap that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.